and welcome back to my channel, Spooky Legend. And today we will be making an easy recipe of brownie in a mug in the microwave. And it's really easy, promise you. So first off, we're gonna get our mug, right? Then we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of flour. And after that, we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder to get that chocolatey flavorness that you want. Oops. And after that, we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of sugar. After that's done, after that, we only get 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Only just a little bit for the flavor. And after the dry ingredients are done, we mix it up. Okay, so after that, you're gonna get 3/4 of a cup of milk. After that, you're gonna get 1/2 cup of oil. Okay. From there, we're only gonna add a little splash of vanilla extract. And after all of that is done, put that to the side right there. We're gonna mix it all up. Chocolate goodness. Mix, mix, mix. And if you feel like it's not hardened enough, just go over, get another teaspoon or tablespoon of flour. Just right to get the amount of condensity that you want. And then you're gonna mix, mix, turn. After all that's done, you're going into the microwave. You gotta really mix it real good, or else these tiny little spots are gonna come out. So we'll come back when we finish. Okay, so while we're done, put this somewhere. Then we're gonna put it into the microwave. We're gonna put it for 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Okay, so every time you have to check on it. Like, maybe it might inflate up, or it might not work. But in this case, we used all the ingredients correctly. So of course it's gonna work. So right now, it's still at 1 minute and it's about to come out. So I'm just checking if it's gonna inflate because it can topple over the mug and we have to stop that from happening. So I'll come back with you guys when it's ready. Okay, so it finished. So first, now, we're gonna take it out. And that looks delicious, I swear. Okay, so we're gonna come right here. We're gonna get some chocolate frosting for like our treat. From there, just in here, and we just slam it on there. Delish. So we're gonna put that there, and now we're gonna get a fork. Or a spoon, whatever you want. We're gonna try this. Oh, my God, the best. This tastes so good, and as you can see, I'm already finishing this. You wanna try some? Nah, I'll give you later. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Like this video, please. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers max. Thank you for watching, and I'm Spooky Legend. I'm out.